That's really impressive. I can't believe I almost missed that. Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I have a package. I'm pretty sure it's from QiYi. Let's check this out. So this is the Flare 2x2 from X-Man Design. So a couple of things real quick about the puzzle just out of the box. The shades are very interesting. I like them. They're very old school shades. So they have a little bit darker red and blue and kind of muted with the green and orange and yellow. So they're still fluorescent-y, but they're a little muted, and I really like it. I know Cameron from SpeedCube Shop really likes that sort of color scheme. So we have magnets. Now, as far as magnets go, that's how 2x2 magnets often are, where there's two here, and you need that because the polarities would get off other ways. The plastic itself is sort of a matte-ish finish, but not a ton. So it's not super glossy, but it's not like hard to hold on to. And as far as turning, it's a little bit heavy and rounded pieces. It's very classic design. As far as size, let's just check real quick. I don't know where my caliper is. However, this is next to a 51mm puzzle on the left, and it looks pretty much that. So I'm guessing it is 51mm, which I do like a larger size. If you've been watching, I've actually been working on a larger one than that, but this one definitely is good. But yeah, it's a little bit heavier turning. It feels really nice. I don't know if there's much more to say without just doing some solves. So let's do some solves. Okay. Wow, this is not the greatest scramble. It's doable. It's definitely doable. Ah, wait, what do I do here? This was the, there we go. It's been a while since I've done Ortega algs. I completely forgot what I did there. I was about to do like a CMLL for Rue. I'm thinking about just learning full CLL just for kicks. Yellow looks really good here. Blue looks pretty good. I think I'll do yellow. And yeah, something like... Oh no. Right as I was doing that, I'm like, I think this alg solves the top layer. Okay, one more. Okay, I'm gonna go for a CLL. I might just be doing a CMLL, but let's find out. Yeah, I don't know this one, so I'm trying to do that alg, which is not great for 2x2. Okay, wow, I am really happy about this. So it brings back sort of a classic design. It is very stable feeling. I don't know, like I don't want to say it's classic because that makes it sound like an old kind of product, but it feels really solid in the hands. It doesn't feel too heavy. I think it feels lighter than what the Vulk is. I'm really enjoying turning this. I haven't watched any videos on this, but I have seen on SpeedCube Shop mentioning something about new technology, and I don't know what the new technology is.
It's 51mm and
I was right with the 51mm.
So I was really impressed with how QiYi did this because
Adjustable strength magnets. Oh, right there. Oh, that's really interesting. So how does adjusting one corner do all of that? I don't know. Let's do it. Let's just move it all the way up. I think, did he say there were 3 settings? No, I think there's just 2. Oh no, you can move just one side. I see. So yeah, 3 settings. Okay. Glad I checked this out because I didn't know about this part of it. Yeah, I guess that does work because no matter what side you move, you know, it moves that corner. That's really impressive. I can't believe I almost missed that. And okay, so it was, I guess, on light, and this is stronger. It's not a lot stronger. Like, I think someone could like the light setting and the strong setting somewhat equally. It doesn't feel like one's unmanageable and one's, you know, too light or too heavy, like that sort of thing. I guess I'll do some other sols real quick. So I'm gonna have blue on the front. Okay, that was good. When I did my top layer, I knew I was going to have opposite swap, which meant I could go right into my Ortega, which I slowly went into my Ortega. I don't know which one I like better. I usually like strong magnets, but 2x2 is a little bit different. What's interesting with this too, at the tighter tensions, so corner cutting isn't insane, but reverse it, it's really just nice and smooth. And that's one thing that reverse is where it really can get locked up. I mean, that's more than enough corner cutting you would ever need. Okay. Let's see here. I guess green. Oh, I didn't look. Oh, geez. I didn't look at what the bottom layer was going to be. Definitely a great puzzle. As far as price, as far as what Cameron was saying, there's no price yet, and he's expecting it around December 20th or so. So hopefully pre-orders will go up soon. I'll put a link in the description definitely when that goes up and where you can get it. If you do order from there, use discount code SCR. It will save you a little bit and help support the channel. But this is the X-Man design flare from QiYi. It's a good 2x2. Without a doubt, people will be using this as a main. It's a little bit heavier than some other ones that are out there, but not super heavy. It has a good weight to it, where when you turn it, it feels natural. There's some puzzles that there's too much weight on the inside and it just feels papery when you're turning, or too much on the outside. Like, honestly, like this, and it just feels insane and wobbly now. But we'll talk about that when we get to that one. So thank you very much, QiYi, for sending this out. Again, I'll have a link in the description where you can pick it up if it's available. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by speedqbview.com for more news and reviews. Oh, right there.